We have reached the city of Mardin, the last stop of our southeast Turkey trip before heading to Istanbul. Mardin has been believed to be settled in the 11th century BC. Mardin is strategically located on top of the hill overlooking the plains of Mesopotamia and onto the Tigris River. And as we know, is the birthplace of cradle of civilizations. Are you ready for a mesmerizing tour of Mardin? Because you are going to fall in love with this undiscovered city. Mardin, known for its geometrically curved stone architecture and history, will captivate your heart and have you coming back over and over again. We will travel back in time and discover the old city of Mardin. This 3,000-year-old beautiful old stone city has hosted many civilizations. While walking in the streets of Mardin, you are bound to hear conversations in Turkish, Kurdish, Arabic, and Assyrian. The locals are proud of the diversity that the city has to offer. Locals here are very friendly. This city has been a cultural crossroads since the dawn of civilization itself. Stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe for my most awaited and delayed video of the birthplace of civilizations. Welcome to Mardin. Thank you very much for watching and do not forget to subscribe for more from Southeast Turkey and Uzbekistan coming soon.